was going on a little longer than I thought for a 40 rodder. I'm like, I don't know, is it 140? Did I get that long?
Oh yeah, it's just like this rolling double backbone rock out there.
Oh yeah.
How do you feel about being done with that last time?
Wait for cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger in paradise.
Cheeseburger.
Billy boy, double pack. You're looking pretty light there.
I'm hungry.
This can't be more than 75 pounds. And if I know those footsteps, I think little baby Jesus has made it too.
It's so good. I don't go out here. That's about as much as I have.
There it is.
That's it. I think that was
Welcome home, Danny.
always one more.